Ona? Da, iya.
Wait, just playing in the dirt and leaves now? What are you doing? Are you just... Okay, how do I can't just push this myself. What do I have to do? Is there anything I can do? Uh-oh. I'm just getting lost again with my characters. What are you gonna do with it? Just looking down it?
Ona? Da, iya.
Can't do anything. What do I have to do? It is playing again. No, he's doing that again. What do I have to do here? Already? Oh, okay. I think I see it. Oh. Okay. We have to do it. That was an incredibly simple puzzle. Guys, I'm not... It's been a year, give me a break, please. What is he doing? Oh, he's playing a harp. That's lovely. Well, I'm terrible at music. Where's the younger brother at? Why is like a man who lives over a river just have a harp? Am I missing anything over there? Let's go back. Let's go back. Before I advance, I like to make sure I don't have anything I'm missing. Oh, wait. So wait, what was that path down here? Oh, it just led us down here. Okay. So there's definitely multiple routes. Are you just a drunkard and you just don't care? You drink all night and you sleep without a care? Oh. Oh. Why is the yellow bird not stopping him? Is the yellow bird gonna try some too?
Oda, when hadi?
You're just a drunkard. And an asshole. A drunkard asshole. Let's go this way. I mentioned this before, but I'm gonna say it again. This game is beautiful. Like, it's just really, really beautiful. Uh-oh. Here comes another puzzle. Uh-oh. Get up. And the kid just got murdered. The younger brother just got murdered. Because I forgot which ones. Keep him distracted.
Yeah.
How far are you gonna get? All the way over here, wow. And run.
Hey!
Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Running like a little bitch from the fucking dog. Come on. Come on, you dumb little pooch. And good. Let's get out of here. That dog looks like it's wearing makeup. What? Wait, did anyone see that? I might have to think. No, did no one see that? Just go back there for a second. Did anyone else see that dog look? That dog looked like he was wearing makeup, right?
Yeah.
I'm not delusional here, right? Hey, I saw lipstick and maybe a bit of blush, maybe a little bit of eyeliner too. Did anyone else see that? He is the fashionista dog. I can't speak now. The fashionista dog. Okay, so this is way to get up in case we fall. Now, the jumping mechanics are pretty straightforward in this game. Like, you don't have a lot of control with it. I don't know why that would be there. Uh-oh. Younger brother can't reach. We've already done this puzzle, but let's do it again. Reach up. Grab the rope. So my brother, who has no jumping skills, can climb up a rope. It's either he has no jumping skills or just prefers climbing up ropes. Or does he have a fear of step ladders? Because that looks like a step ladder. The climbing in this game is a bit like a puzzle, isn't it? Made it. Ooh. Little birdie trapped in the cage. What do we have to do with you? Oh. What's this down here? What's this up here? Is he? Oh, shit.
Ki, when hadi?
Okay, so that's the way we need to go. What does the younger brother do? Yeah, just that. I know he's young and all, but he's still a bit of a dick kid. A little bit of that dick kid in him. Oh. That can be misconstrued in multiple ways. Hey, White Bunny. What you doing? Are you being left out? Am I just being another dick kid again? I didn't notice this last time I played this much I know. Oh, I see. Okay. I see what I need to do. Bunny buddies! Yay, got an achievement! Achievement I didn't have. That's really nice. So we're not necessarily dick kids, we just seem like it. We just seem like dick kids until we help someone, like a bunny. Nothing beats like put a bunny in charcoal. Oh goodness, I'm getting lost again. What's this bird here? I want to talk to this bird. Oh. Okay. Just release the bird. Probably a life-saving bird. Oh, come on. Grab one of the sheep. Oh goodness, they are heavy. Oh yes, I didn't expect that, but it's still hilarious nonetheless. Okay, that's pretty simple. Let's go up. Wow, we are. Hey, is that? Oh, that's where we were. That's so cool. I love that. I love that. I really like that. I really like terrain. Like I love it when you go through an area. Like you say, you can go to a new area more or less, and like say, hey, that's there over there, even though we didn't really reload anything. But it's still nice that we traveled like a good bit and like, hey, look, we're back here again. That's... wait. Does anyone else hear that? The house? I was crying, but that is like a almost bestial cry to a point. Oh! Oh goodness! That is something. Is that a troll, I guess? It's a monster of some form with mushrooms growing on it, so I think troll before giant. I mean, giants are just normal humans, aren't they? Just giant? A lone giant with 2 beds. Obviously angry at us. Is it a giant or is it a troll? I'm gonna go with troll. Oh, he's just a friendly giant.
Hey, Maru!
I said I was gonna go with troll. I am disappointed in myself. I am as disappointed in myself as you guys probably are in me now. I said I was gonna call him a troll, but I called him a giant. I called him a friendly giant. I should call him a friendly troll. And I'm talking through a cutscene. I'm a fool. A money fool. Bloody fool. Bloody fool. Bloody fool. Okay, so the giant's gonna show us the way? Right? Works for me. Although I do wonder why he was crying. Come on. Why did I go this way? It's like walking around a mountain and you could just walk through it. Okay. Where's the... oh. Oh. Oh! Okay. I mean, I guess I'll just trust you. For all I know, you can't talk just as much as I can. What? No, he has his own little paths up. That's nice. Oh. His house is pretty decently sized. So what are you doing now? Is he gonna pick us up again? Is he gonna toss us again? He's supposed to... he went to one of us here. Ah, he's gonna help us shimmy on it. Okay. Well, this is really nice. This is really nice. Character design's really good too. Don't know why he has mushrooms on him, but I'll just accept it. And that is an oddly placed tree root. Considering there's no tree above it that would condone such a tree root. Uh-oh. Shit's falling down now. And I just killed the kid because I was holding the wrong button. Or I let go of the wrong button. Joy. I'm so shit at this game. I die for the stupidest reasons. And there's no reason for it. And up. And up. Yes, we made it. Alright. This is obviously where we need to go now. Can we make that jump? Holy shit, how did you get over there that fast? You are a speedy motherfucker, you giant. Mr. Troll. Not giant. Troll, giant, troll, giant, troll, giant, troll! It's a giant troll! That's what it is. A friendly giant troll. Works for me. Okay, so what are we gonna do now? Oh, what? Well then. Do not touch the mushrooms, they could be poisonous. Do not eat the mushrooms, they could be suicidal. Do not eat suicidal mushrooms. Note to self, suicidal mushrooms are more than just mushrooms that will kill you. They are mushrooms that are wanting to be killed, but are incapable of killing themselves and want to be eaten. Not only that, they will make you basically die. Like, they'll make you want to die. That's why they are called suicide mushrooms, along with the fact that they are suicidal themselves. Suicidal mushrooms are interesting, nonetheless. Oh, and now we climb on him. Whenever the mushrooms, do not touch them, do not eat them. They may look like great handholds, but they are very flimsy and most likely will kill you upon contact. Remember, mushrooms, don't eat the wild ones, eat the canned ones.